Understanding Organic Sediment, a dive into nature's process. Hello, and welcome to today's learning journey. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind a term that's essential in understanding Earth's natural processes: organic sediment. So, let's embark on this educational adventure together and discover the significance of this fascinating subject in our natural world. Organic sediment refers to the particles that accumulate on the bottom of a body of water, originating from living organisms. Unlike rocks or minerals, organic sediment is made up of the remains of plants, animals, and microscopic organisms. Over time, these remains settle at the bottom of lakes, oceans, and rivers, forming a layer that tells the story of the ecosystem's history. The journey of organic sediment begins with the life cycle of aquatic organisms. When these creatures die, their bodies, along with plant debris and other biological materials, start to decompose. This process is facilitated by bacteria and other microorganisms, breaking down the organic matter into simpler substances. Eventually, these remains, now smaller and lighter, begin to sink slowly towards the bottom, joining the accumulating layer of sediment. Organic sediment plays a crucial role in the health and sustainability of aquatic ecosystems. It acts as a natural fertilizer, releasing nutrients back into the water, which supports the growth of aquatic plants and algae. Additionally, this sediment serves as a habitat for various microorganisms and is a vital component in the food web, supporting life at different levels. While organic sediment is a natural and beneficial part of aquatic ecosystems, human activities can significantly impact its composition and quantity. Pollution, agricultural runoff, and deforestation can lead to an excess of nutrients in the water, causing eutrophication. This process can lead to excessive algae growth, depleting oxygen in the water and harming aquatic life. Understanding our impact is crucial in preserving the balance and health of these ecosystems. As we conclude our journey into the world of organic sediment, it's clear that this seemingly simple substance plays a pivotal role in sustaining life in aquatic environments. By understanding and respecting its significance, we can make informed decisions to protect and preserve the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this video has enriched your understanding of the natural world around us.